Last year, I was the proud sponsor of Senate Bill 271 to finally allow physicians' assistants to practice the full extent of their education and training. This year's legislation is Senate Bill 3421. We have an access to healthcare crisis in Illinois. I have experienced it myself with the inability to access healthcare in my community. Even in my south and southwest side districts, we have medical deserts. Before I was a senator, I was an organizer for workers at nursing homes for SEIU Healthcare, where I saw firsthand how our patients were vulnerable and needed the assistance of our PAs, and how they needed more access to healthcare all across our nursing homes and hospitals and all across Illinois. That's why PAs hold the key to piece of the Illinois healthcare puzzle, since the state has a massive shortage of healthcare providers. Last year, we made tremendous progress on the bill. We got 14 sponsors, including from leadership and all across the state. What's the difference in this year that will help pass the bill? The healthcare access crisis has only grown, and the federal government has now started a rural health transformation initiative, and Illinois will leave tens of millions of dollars at the table if we do not modernize our PA practices. So I look forward to working with all of you to improve the healthcare in Illinois. I was really excited not that long ago to meet future PAs at Dominican University. It was amazing to hear from 60 PAs. And one of the things that really stood out to me was how can you make it easier for me to get hired? I want to go back to my community. I want to give back, and and I'm just saying, we need you down here in Springfield. And I see a lot of folks are down here in Springfield because you don't have to, of course, convince me. You have to convince my colleagues, right? You have to convince folks, not just from Chicago, but rural areas all across Illinois, especially those areas that have healthcare deserts, and let them know that this is extremely important to remove the red tape and have access to healthcare for all our families across Illinois.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to keep up to date with news from the caucus. For more information on what the senator is working on, please follow them on social media using the links in the description down below.